Are you super confused with hashtags? Then stay tuned. I got you. In our tool of the week, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can use hashtags with efficiency and everything is mapped out for you. Stay tuned. Tool Zoo is a feature that I want to share with you that is going to help you get super clear on hashtags. Now, I know that it says Instagram, but listen, you can use hashtags on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. It doesn't matter where. Let's get into how to actually use. Now, you've probably already heard that when you're using hashtags, you should be using a combination of low, medium, and high hashtags. Now, basically, all you have to do is key in a couple of your keywords. So, for example, I'm in marketing, video, and let's just say I am a coach for women. All right, so now all you have to do is click generate hashtags. And now the system will begin to generate the hashtags for you. Now you can also pull in a website or you can pull in a photo and it will extract the hashtags that were actually used in that particular one. Now take a look at this. This is actually showing the hashtags that you can use under these 3 keywords. They're also broken down by high, medium, and low, and it is actually sharing the volume. So you only want to use just a handful of the really large ones. So I'm going to check marketing and I'm just going to check coaching. Now, as you can see, as you scroll down, we got life coach for women. We got business coach for women. These are in the medium range. If you continue to scroll down, it will then show you the hashtags that are low. The low hashtags are what you should definitely be using if you have a smaller account, simply because you will not rank if you are using the really big hashtags. So most of your hashtags, if you're a smaller account like me, you should be using the lower one. So I'm just going to continue to actually look for hashtags that I want to use. So here's video marketing tips, performance coach. Let's see. There's a few more. Okay, I'll use these. Now, as I've clicked on these, you can see that the hashtags have populated over here. Now, if you're using this on Instagram, you'll be able to check this box and it will add the space in between your text. You've probably seen it where it's space, ... hashtags. Well, here you go. If you're using this for something like a TikTok, you can unclick and then you'll simply just be able to click the copy button, take those hashtags and then post them either to your TikTok or to your IG. Hashtags made simple. This is our tool of the week. I'll be back to share more. Take care.